Old people, young people, working class people, middle class people are voting yes in large numbers for women's autonomy.
It's a very emotional day.
Yeah, it is, and like you can see the numbers of volunteers we have, you know, it's really been an extraordinary campaign locally. Like everybody's gotten to know the constituency in huge detail and just had positive conversation after positive conversation. I think it also shows like there's been this consistent attempt to say there's some kind of hidden no vote in Ireland, and it just doesn't exist. You know, people don't really feel like talking about their strong opinions about abortion, but that doesn't mean that they're not fully supportive of women's right to choose. The other really interesting thing I think from the polls was that you know, the single biggest reason why people voted for yes was that they believe in a woman's right to choose. So it's not these hard cases, it's not just the exceptions. They absolutely believe that women have a right to choose, and I'm just really proud of my constituency. At a personal level, it makes me hope that we can build towards a secular republic and start building proper separation of church and state across things like our education and healthcare systems. So yeah, I think, you know, women feel incredibly accepted and trusted. That slogan has been the slogan of the campaign: trust women.